Join me as I dig deep into the world of life insurance and try to figure out what it's really for. Can I uncover its true purpose? Life insurance. It's one of those financial products that we often hear about but rarely take the time to truly understand. Many of us view it as just another monthly expense, or worse, something only needed when you're older or have a family. But is that really what it's for? To be honest, there's a lot of confusion surrounding life insurance. Some people think it's only for people with dependents, while others believe it's just another form of investment. But what if I told you that life insurance can be so much more than that? It's often misunderstood, and this misunderstanding prevents people from considering it seriously. I've seen friends and family members brush it off as something they don't need, not realizing its potential benefits. This lack of understanding is partly because life insurance isn't always easy to grasp. The jargon and complex policies can be overwhelming. But let's break it down. Life insurance is essentially a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay premiums, and in return, the company provides a death benefit to your beneficiaries if you pass away. Simple, right? But there's more to it. Life insurance can serve various purposes. For some, it's about providing financial security for loved ones. For others, it's a way to cover debts or fund future expenses like a child's education. The various purposes of life insurance are often not well understood. For instance, it can help replace your income if you were no longer around, ensuring your family's financial stability. It can also be used to cover funeral expenses, which can be a significant burden on loved ones. Additionally, life insurance can be a tool for funding future expenses, like your child's education or even retirement. Some people use it as a way to leave a legacy or make a charitable donation. These are just a few examples of how versatile life insurance can be. I recall a story about a friend whose father had a life insurance policy. When he passed away, the payout helped cover the mortgage and college funds for his kids. It was a game changer for my friend's family, providing them with financial stability during a difficult time. Stories like these highlight the positive impact life insurance can have on people's lives. They show us that it's not just about the money, it's about peace of mind and ensuring that our loved ones are taken care of. Understanding life insurance is crucial for financial planning. It's not just about covering the unexpected, it's about planning for the future. By grasping its true purpose, we can make informed decisions about our financial well-being. So, what's life insurance really for? It's for providing financial security, covering debts, and funding future expenses. It's a vital part of our financial toolkit. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on life insurance. Have you had any experiences with it? Do you have questions? Leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about financial planning or insurance topics, check out our video on the basics of financial planning for young adults. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.